In this video, I will show you how to do echo text effect animation in your videos in the Premiere Pro. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So here, this is my toolbar. I will select my type tool here and I will just type here whatever words. For example, I just want to type here cherry. Now you have to go to your Windows and make sure you have to open your Essential Graphics. So just click on it. Once you click on it, on this sidebar, it will get open. You can just set according to your requirement. For example, right now, I will just keep it as it is. Now guys, you have to adjust your text depending upon your requirements. For example, I will select my text here and I will go here. I will put it into center middle. If you're not able to, change the verticals of your text, you can just go to vector motion here in the effect control and you can just do it like this, right? Here you can always zoom it if you don't know how to do it from the essential graphics tool here. And right now what we will do, we will just turn off our fill option here and click on stroke. Right, once you click on stroke, let me show you what will happen. You will only able to view your stroke. If you want to change your font, you can always change your font, but for now I will just let it be the normal one. Now what you have to do, you have to cut it, right? And here you have to select your text clip here, click Alt on your keyboard and just make a duplicate. If you're not able to make a duplicate, what you have to do, you have to just copy the first click and paste it here, right? For example, I will log this section and I will paste it here, right? Now you have to select your clip. So this is my clip here, text clip here, the first one. And now we will go to your vector position. Now here I will just make a new keyframe and I will go to the end of this clip, and here I will just, for example, first of all, you have to go here at the starting, right? And here select your keyframe, or you can just downgrade. For example, I just want to my animation start from downwards to the upwards, right? And here now as the end of the frame, I will just put it like this. Okay, now you have to again select your clip here. Now just click on drop down menu bar and here you will see a velocity. So what you have to change, first of all, you have to select your two keyframes, right click on it, and here you will get an option of temporal interpolation. Click on it or just move your mouse here and you will get option. We will select ease in. Okay guys, now you have to select your clip, and right now we will like to adjust. So if you're not able to find this space here, you can just always, for example, adjust it in this way. If the clip is not selected, you can just like this. So for example, let me show you what the change I have made. For example, this is very important. If you want to create your wave, it will start slow and go in a faster motion. If you want to change it, you can just play with it. For example, I can just do like this, for example, right? So this is the way you can just play with your keyframes here. Now guys, you have to select, if you have to just copy here. For example, you can see you have to copy the terms. For example, I will just copy the first here and I will select my second clip and I will paste it here, right? So you have to do the same thing with the other positions, so it should be exactly matched to it. And once you have copied each and everything, you have to do select the first clip here, go to the effects panel, and here you will have to find the option which is called echo. Select your echo and put it here on your first clip. And once you're here, you will find a new option, and there is the effect control here. So what you have to do, number of echoes. For example, I will put here 6, and decoy here I will just put here 0.5, right? And now let me show you how it's work.